Welcome back to another video. This is Chris Hall here with Ray's Landscaping. I know it's been a while, guys. Honestly, no excuses. I did break my camera phone. I had to get it replaced. I couldn't record videos or take pictures for a couple weeks, and I just didn't have the time to get the phone fixed. However, we're back rolling now. So this video here is a couple shots from the biggest mulch job that my business has landed thus far. We did 16 yards of mulch and 20 bales of pine needles. Total yard transformation. I landed this job right here off of a yard sign. Anytime I land a job like this, I always want to know how they found me, how they contacted us, what made them reach out. Reason being because it's important, guys, to know what marketing is working and what marketing is not. All marketing is not going to work in certain areas. Certain areas you have to kind of change up the marketing. You have to change up the wording, the positioning, like all of this stuff is very important when it comes to marketing a service or also your business, because what worked on one side of town may not work on another side of town. But for this area here, I definitely have it dialed in. The last video that I uploaded was in the same area, landed off the same yard sign, and it had a real good payout too. This job right here was over $2,000, almost $3,000. It was like 27, something like that. And we got it done, no problems. As far as the mulch, I hit it right on the head, guys. I hit it right on the head, and I just broke it down side by side to make sure that all of the numbers was right. And the same with the pine needles. Just break it down side by side, how much you're gonna need for the front, how much you're gonna need for the back, and how much you're gonna need from the side, and it'll all come together. Jobs like this can be extremely profitable, especially if it's budgeted out the right way. We had 2 guys plus myself on this one. Jobs like this can really take your business to another level.